Citizens leader at NACHAMISA sent a powerful message of resilience and renewal, declaring that no amount of mudslinging from Zanu PF would derail his political journey or silence his voice. Sadc Chamisa declare a political comeback despite relentless Zanu PF attacks. To subscribe or like on the bell icon. In a statement on Friday, Chamisa reflected on the challenges he has faced, emphasizing that every trial has strengthened his resolve and shaped his mission going forward, reciting, "The battles I have faced have been huge, but every one of them has purpose. Nothing is without reason. I am being remade from the inside out. Expect me renewed, refreshed, reviewed, and fired up. Great people, fellow citizens, get ready," he said. Chamisa's remarks come amid intensified political hostility and smear campaigns from opponents who have reportedly sought to undermine his leadership and influence. Despite the pressure, Chamisa made it clear that he remains unfazed and fully committed to leading citizens towards what he calls a new national direction anchored on hope, integrity, and transformation. His message has reignited anticipation among his supporters, who interpret his declaration as a signal of a major political comeback. With renewed confidence, Chamisa assured citizens that the journey continues and that attempts to break his spirit have only reinforced his determination to fight for a better Zimbabwe. Topinda responses namakupinse vanhu vanopinda kunyora vachiti before he goes back again another comeback vanobuda kunyora vachiti anytime is tea time. Come Mr. Nero, don't be pushed by other people with their unknown agendas. Be free, plus your age is still allows you to be in and out if you see the situation is no longer positive. Vanobuda kunyora vachiti the material is broken and it needs a strong sewing machine. Vanobuda kunyora vachiti come back to work. Vanopinda vachiti the pastor. Vanobuda kunyora vachiti hey, we are tired of that. He must come back if you want to come back. We will follow him. So mashoko anobuda achinyorwa nevanhu pamusoro pemeseji yava ichidhilivharwa naNelsonchamisa. Pinda comment section medu mudzi mafunguro enyu motodipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.